Thanks, Deputy Speaker. Deputy Speaker, I would like to take this opportunity to recognise the long list of meritorious and military award recipients in Bean who were recently recognised in the King's Birthday Honours List. Firstly, I would like to congratulate two outstanding members of our first responder workforce, Commander Joanne Cameron on being awarded the Australian Police Medal and Mr Jason Jones for being awarded the Emergency Services Medal. I thank them for their ongoing dedication to keeping our community safe. Deputy Speaker, in Bean, 13 residents received recognition for their commitment to public service and have been awarded the Public Service Medal. Mr Bobby Antoniou for outstanding public service to public health as the liaison officer for the ACT COVID-19 Clinic Health Emergency Centre. Mr Graham Archer for outstanding public service through leadership to deliver nationally significant measures and reforms. Ms Margaret Hayes for outstanding public service in providing culturally safe access to aged care for First Nations people. Mr Dak Ho for outstanding public service in providing data extraction for reporting during the COVID-19 pandemic. Ms Vanessa Hoban for outstanding public service to public health in the ACT's clinical response to COVID-19. Mr Daniel Lawler for outstanding public service to public health as the Director of Pharmacy at Canberra Health Services at Canberra Hospital. Ms Stacey Matthews for outstanding public service in supporting the ACT's whole-of-government COVID-19 response. Ms Margaret McManus for outstanding public service to public health as the nursing lead for the ACT COVID Home Program. Ms Melissa O'Brien for outstanding public service to public health through leadership and practical assistance to the ACT's COVID-19 response. Ms Melissa Ryan for outstanding public service through leadership and implementation of complex reform and policies to assist vulnerable Australians. Mr Ajay Sharma for outstanding public service in strengthening accountability and transparency throughout the ACT public service. Ms Emily Springett for outstanding public service in leading Access Canberra's COVID-19 response. And to Ms Kathy Toes for outstanding public service in leadership and commitment to support Australia's COVID-19 response. Deputy Speaker, I thank these outstanding public servants for their selfless dedication to serving Australians and Canberrans. Additionally, Deputy Speaker, I would like to recognise and congratulate the following Defence personnel on being awarded the Conspicuous Service Medal: Commander Gary Page of the Royal Australian Navy and Group Captain Catherine Wallace. Commander Page was awarded the Conspicuous Service Medal for his devotion to duty in training and education delivery for the ADF. Group Captain Wallace received her Conspicuous Service Medal for her devotion to duty and managing inquiries and investigation in the Office of the Inspector General in the ADF. Deputy Speaker, a community is made when people help others, and I commend these outstanding recipients for their work in making our community a better place.